Welcome to JH. Today we are looking at the Trust Gaming GXT 490 FASO headset to see if it is a good fit for your setup. This USB-powered gaming headset works with both PC and PlayStation consoles. Weighing only 290 grams, it features oval ear cups that provide full coverage. The exterior uses synthetic leather, while the interior is lined with breathable fabric to ensure comfort during extended gaming sessions. The headband is both padded and adjustable, and notably, it is constructed from 85% recycled plastic for an eco-friendly touch. It also boasts customizable RGB lighting with various modes to enhance its visual appeal. Regarding performance, the 50mm drivers produce powerful, clear audio. You can also access 7.1 virtual surround sound, which is adjustable through Windows settings. The removable microphone provides excellent voice clarity by effectively filtering out background noise, making it ideal for streaming or team communication. All essential controls are conveniently placed on the left ear cup, including the RGB light toggle, a microphone mute switch, and the volume dial. The headset connects via a 2-meter rubber-coated USB cable and includes a dedicated port for the microphone. One drawback is the lack of a 3.5mm jack, as it relies solely on USB. This might be inconvenient for console users who prefer connecting directly to a controller. However, for PC gamers, it remains a strong budget-friendly choice at approximately $40. It delivers great value considering its feature set. If you primarily game on PC or PlayStation and don't mind the USB connection, the GXT 490 FASO provides impressive comfort, quality sound, and a sleek look for its price point.